Ogadamon. Ah, wetin happen? Ah, which kind combination be this, sef?
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Ah, oh boy.
Guy, wetin happen yesterday no good oh. Wetin happen yesterday no good.
Na accident.
Will you keep quiet?
No be this draw wey we dey wait, this round 16 draw wey we dey wait for yesterday
For Champions League.
for Champions League.
All
of us come dey wait for the team. They come do the draw finally. They say the draw final say Madrid dey play Benfica. The kind celebration wey I go celebrate, go outside or go that shopping mall, go buy pure heaven wine. Say we go come celebrate because we go deal with Benfica, deal with them, just pass anyhow. Now free road where they don't give Madrid.
So wetin come happen again now? Did you not do it again?
As they come back, I come hear say they don't cancel that draw. That draw, they don't cancel and say, have you ever hear say white man they make mistake?
No.
Computer make mistake, they say white man make mistake. Which kind of mistake? After they can't do draw, can't do repeat another one again. Ask me which who are we? Who they can't give us? Ask.
Now wetin I dey wait for now?
For go see, they can't give us PSG.
Hey, oh.
PSG. How can you give Benfica, carry Benfica, can't give people PSG? If not be wickedness of highest order, wickedness don't enter football. Wickedness is in football now. How can we play PSG? PSG. Madrid versus PSG.
Will you keep quiet?
Just tell us, we just go out of. You don't need spend in this team. We'll just go back with our pride and everything. Why we have to humiliate us or what? What is the plan of these people?
This man.
Where they do now wickedness now.
Bad for
make me they eat this kind of thing. This morning.
Sorry.
Photo.
Messi. Even for my dream, I dey see Messi now. Messi. I just dey see Messi. Before I turn this time, I go see Mbappe. I turn like this, I go see Neymar. The one where they even face me say, see Di Maria. The one where just leave us now, our best defender, Ramos. Ramos go come dey defend our Benzema and the rest. Who go score? Ramos we don't already know all their legs.
Will you keep quiet?
I go call Perez. Make them no go that play. Make them no play. Make them say that corruption. Make them no play. I know they do again. We know they do.